This property is such a gift. You pull in the driveway and it's like, whoa, nature.
Sarah and I have 2 young sons, and we really love nature and we love to be outdoors, and we try to be as green and sustainable as possible. So our whole facility is run off of a 90 kilowatt solar system. We also have a coolant recycling program. We also have a chip and scrap metal recycling program. We want to try to make sure we get the absolute most value we can out of each piece of steel before it essentially gets turned to scrap. We take really good care of our machinery, and because our machinery takes really good care of us. So we're really big on trying to repair rather than replace a piece of machinery.
We have a pond out front and a creek that runs through the entire property that attracts like all kinds of waterfowl, and then you've got deer and coyotes running around.
And it just constantly reminds us of how good we have it and how good we want to leave it for the future generations.
Like, the beauty of it is all the motivation we really need.